Today, we're diving into a topic that I know many of you have been curious about: how to make $10,000 a month writing online. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, this video is packed with tips, strategies, and insider secrets to help you achieve financial freedom through your writing skills. So grab a notebook and pen, because you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's get started. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make $10,000 a month writing online. If you're passionate about writing and want to turn that passion into a lucrative income, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into various strategies, tips, and insights to help you achieve this financial milestone. First, let's address the potential of writing online. The internet has democratized many professions, and writing is no exception. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a beginner, there are numerous opportunities to earn a substantial income. The key is to understand the landscape, identify profitable niches, and continually hone your skills. One of the most popular ways to make money writing online is through freelance writing. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a plethora of opportunities. To stand out in these competitive marketplaces, create a compelling profile that highlights your expertise and experience. Showcase your best work in a portfolio and be specific about the services you offer. When starting, you might need to take on lower-paying gigs to build your reputation, but as you gain positive reviews and testimonials, you can gradually increase your rates. Specializing in a niche can significantly boost your earning potential. Niches such as technology, finance, health, and marketing are in high demand and often pay higher rates. By positioning yourself as an expert in a specific area, you attract clients willing to pay a premium for your specialized knowledge. Keep up with industry trends, continuously improve your expertise, and consistently produce high-quality content. Another lucrative avenue is blogging. If you have a knack for storytelling and enjoy sharing your thoughts, starting a blog can be a rewarding venture. Monetizing a blog typically involves multiple revenue streams, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a substantial audience. Consistency is crucial in blogging. Regularly publish valuable and engaging content to build a loyal readership. Over time, your blog can become a significant source of passive income. Content mills and writing agencies are other options for those looking to make money quickly. These platforms connect writers with clients who need content on a large scale. While the pay might not be as high as freelancing directly with clients, it can provide a steady stream of work, especially if you're just starting. Look for reputable agencies with good reviews and a track record of paying their writers on time. Self-publishing is another powerful way to make money writing online. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can publish your eBooks and reach a global audience. Writing and publishing a book requires significant effort, but it can yield passive income for years. Focus on creating high-quality, well-researched content that addresses specific reader needs or interests. Invest in professional editing and cover design to make your book stand out. Copywriting is a high-demand skill that involves writing persuasive content for marketing and advertising. Businesses are always looking for talented copywriters to create compelling sales pages, email campaigns, and social media content. If you can write copy that converts, you can command high fees. Study the principles of persuasive writing and practice writing different types of copy. Building a portfolio with case studies showcasing your results can help attract high-paying clients. Ghostwriting is another profitable niche. Many people, from business executives to influencers, want to publish books and articles but lack the time or writing skills. As a ghostwriter, you can write on behalf of these clients and get paid handsomely. While you won't get public credit for your work, the financial rewards can be substantial. It's important to maintain confidentiality and deliver high-quality work that reflects the client's voice and style. Technical writing is a specialized field that involves creating manuals, guides, and documentation for technical products and services. If you have a background in a technical field or can quickly learn complex topics, technical writing can be very lucrative. Many tech companies pay top dollar for clear, concise, and well-organized documentation. Brush up on your technical knowledge and learn to present information in a user-friendly manner. Editing and proofreading are essential services that many clients require. If you have a keen eye for detail and strong language skills, offering editing and proofreading services can be a good income source. Many writers and businesses need their content polished to a high standard, and they are willing to pay for it. Ensure you are familiar with various style guides and can spot grammatical, spelling, and punctuation errors quickly and accurately. Content marketing is another area where writers can thrive. Businesses need engaging and informative content to attract and retain customers. This includes blog posts, articles, white papers, case studies, and more. By providing high-quality content that adds value to their audience, you help businesses build trust and authority in their industry. Network with marketers and business owners, and offer your services to help them achieve their content marketing goals. Building a strong online presence is crucial for attracting clients. Create a professional website that showcases your portfolio, services, and testimonials. Use social media platforms to promote your work, share valuable content, and connect with potential clients. Networking in online communities and attending industry events can also open doors to new opportunities. It's important to set clear goals and track your progress. Define how much you want to earn each month and break it down into achievable milestones. Track your income and expenses, and regularly review your business strategy to ensure you're on the right path. Be prepared to adjust your approach as you learn what works best for you. Investing in your skills and education is vital. Take online courses, attend workshops, and read industry-related books to continually improve your writing abilities. The more skilled you become, the more valuable you will be to your clients. Join professional writing organizations and participate in writing challenges to stay motivated and inspired. Balancing multiple income streams can help you achieve your financial goals more quickly. For example, you can combine freelance writing with blogging and self-publishing. Diversifying your income sources reduces the risk of relying too heavily on one avenue and increases your overall earning potential. Time management and productivity are crucial for success. Create a structured schedule that allows you to allocate time for writing, marketing, and personal development. Use productivity tools and techniques, such as time blocking and the Pomodoro technique, to stay focused and efficient. Taking regular breaks and maintaining a healthy work-life balance can also improve your productivity and creativity. Client relationships are the cornerstone of a successful writing business. Communicate clearly and professionally with your clients, set realistic expectations, and deliver your work on time. Building strong relationships can lead to repeat business and referrals, which are invaluable for long-term success. Always strive to exceed your clients' expectations and provide exceptional service. Don't underestimate the power of personal branding. Your brand is how clients perceive you and your work. Consistently deliver high-quality content, maintain professionalism, and be authentic in your interactions. A strong personal brand can differentiate you from other writers and attract more high-paying clients. Understanding the business side of writing is essential. Learn about contracts, invoicing, taxes, and other administrative tasks. Protect yourself legally by having clear agreements in place with your clients. Consider working with an accountant or financial advisor to manage your finances and ensure you're compliant with tax regulations. Leveraging your existing network can help you find new writing opportunities. Let your friends, family, and professional contacts know about your writing services. They may refer you to potential clients or provide valuable connections. Building a strong network can open doors to new and exciting projects. Continuous learning and adapting to industry trends are crucial for staying relevant and competitive. Follow industry blogs, listen to podcasts, and participate in webinars to stay updated on the latest developments in writing and digital marketing. Embrace new tools and technologies that can enhance your writing process and improve your efficiency. Persistence and resilience are key traits for success in the writing industry. You may face rejection or criticism, but don't let it discourage you. Learn from your experiences, refine your approach, and keep moving forward. Building a successful writing career takes time, effort, and determination. Finding a writing mentor can provide valuable guidance and support. A mentor can offer insights based on their experiences, help you navigate challenges, and provide constructive feedback on your work. Look for experienced writers who are willing to share their knowledge and help you grow in your career. Attending writing conferences and workshops can provide inspiration and networking opportunities. These events often feature industry experts who share their knowledge and offer valuable advice. Participate actively, ask questions, and connect with other writers to expand your network and gain new perspectives. Setting boundaries and avoiding burnout is essential for long-term success. Writing can be demanding, and it's important to take care of your mental and physical health. Set clear boundaries between work and personal time, and ensure you take regular breaks to recharge. Practice self-care and find activities outside of writing that bring you joy and relaxation. Incorporating feedback and continuously improving your work is crucial. Don't be afraid to seek feedback from clients, peers, or mentors. Use constructive criticism to refine your writing and enhance your skills. Being open to feedback shows your commitment to delivering high-quality work and helps you grow as a writer. Exploring different writing formats can expand your opportunities. In addition to articles and blog posts, consider writing scripts, social media content, newsletters, and more. Diversifying your writing portfolio can make you more versatile and attractive to a wider range of clients. Understanding your value and confidently setting your rates is important. Research industry standards and consider your experience, skills, and the value you bring to your clients. Don't undersell yourself. Be confident in your abilities and charge what you're worth. High-quality writing is a valuable service, and clients are willing to pay for it. Developing a thick skin and handling rejection gracefully is part of the writing journey. Not every pitch or proposal will be accepted, and that's okay. Learn from rejection, refine your approach, and keep pursuing new opportunities. Persistence is key to building a successful writing career. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful and that you're feeling inspired to take your online writing career to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or want to share your own writing journey, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep writing and chasing those dreams. See you in the next video.